everyone to the AICPA Expo. I'm here with Mott IT. You can see in the booth, we got our nice setup. We got our espresso machine. We have a rather unlimited, for a normal person, an unlimited source of pods. We got a fresh new stand-up banner. We got the TV with the cyber score that's gonna go up when Fady brings his Surface. Got a little stand-up table. Very cost-effective booth setup. Anything more than this is vanity. This stuff doesn't matter. You just need a nice place to stand, to talk to people, a little lead magnet. You can use a cyber score, others are available. A nice lead magnet to spark conversation, and then we're going to shake as many hands as we can, build rapport, collect contact information, and get some recon. That's it, that's the game today. Fady and Jamie, let's rock and roll.
Here we go, day 2 at the AICPA conference. It was a pretty solid indoor trade show day. And what that means is you got your booth, and every hour or so, you get a small grouping of people that are coming out of the workshops, coming out of the workshop sessions and trickling through the exhibitor floor. Okay engagement. Golf tournaments definitely better bang for buck in terms of audience exposure, but that's the game. Sometimes you play the cards that you have. I learned a ton about HubSpot from another one of the vendors. Anyways, that's the game. All right, that's a wrap at the AICPA Expo. Got our little bag. I carry with me all my things. It's been 3 days in Las Vegas. I'm gonna head to the airport. I got a flight at 11:30 tonight. Hard 3 days, shaking hands, building rapport, collecting recon, showing Fady how to run the trade show playbook. He's got a good setup, he's got good confidence, rinse and repeat, because he's got to get the reps in. Volume negates luck.